What's going on, guys? So I had a client bring me a Ford Focus bumper. He was actually driving down the road and he made a bad right turn and ended up clipping a covert, knocked off pretty much the whole bottom of his bumper. And I ordered the bumper for him and some plastics, and I got it painted out. I had another customer that brought me in a set of aluminum wheels. It looked like they had been cleared before, maybe by factory. They had a two-color tone where a portion of the rims were actually powder coated and the other portion was raw aluminum. But then it was coated with a clear coat. I don't know if that was powder coated or what, but it was lifting up. He wanted to do was he wanted to just paint it all one color. He wanted to go with the silver looking color, something that resembled almost like a metallic aluminum finish. So I went with 80 grit and I knocked down as much as I could. I went in with some epoxy primer and I laid some silver down and then I cleared over the top of it. Overall, they came out really good. These are two really quick projects. I just want to kind of make a quick video on them. So let's go ahead and check out the process, guys, and I'll see you at the end of the video. All right, that's gonna wrap it up, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider hitting that like button for me. Drop a comment down below if you like the video. Consider subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, I highly recommend to do so. I have a lot of videos coming up. I have a lot of projects that I have to drop because I'm trying to catch up from everything that I did in 2021 that I have yet to post it. I have a lot of videos backed up on my computer and I just gotta go through and edit them and stuff like that. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I consider subscribing. Please do so. Share this video with your friends. Drop a comment down below. I'm glad y'all enjoyed it. I'm glad y'all tuned in to the very end, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.